Which island is located in Bay of Bengal? So what will be tan 90 plus theta? See, if you take water, water is incompressible. If you apply pressure also, the volume is not going to decrease. Hi everyone, Jai Mata, this is Chief Engineer Praneeth Mehta, Director JMDi Academy. Welcome to this channel JMDi Academy. This is Aditya Thakur sitting in front of me. He has yesterday been selected in a very good shipping company and the name is in the list below. If you want to watch his non-technical video, please go to our YouTube channel, that is Merchant Navy Decoded. You can watch his complete mock interview out there as well, the non-technical part. So let's start without wasting any time, the technical interview with Aditya Thakur. So Aditya, are you prepared?
Yes, sir.
Let's start, huh? So what is Boyle's law?
The Boyle's law states that at constant temperature, pressure is inversely proportional to the volume. For example, a syringe.
Syringe. So can you explain?
So like a syringe, when we apply pressure to its piston, so the fluid or the air inside the syringe, its volume is reduced and that is flown out. So the volume inside the syringe gets reduced because of the pressure applied on the piston.
Okay, so do I have to block the syringe, or without blocking the syringe, or you do not have to block the syringe for this? You have to block the syringe or you do not?
Do not have to block.
See guys, again understand one thing. What he's saying is, the definition was correct, that at constant temperature pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Now when he talks about syringe, you talked fluid. Can I take water in that? Can I take water? No. I'll tell you why again. See, if you take water, water is incompressible. If you apply pressure also, the volume is not going to decrease. Bhai, at constant temperature, Boyle's law states that when you increase the pressure, the volume decreases. Water is incompressible, volume decrease hogi nahi. So this is applicable in case of air, like it's a compressible fluid, right? So when you take air and you plug the nozzle part and then you apply pressure, so it goes ahead and it reduces the volume. Copied when you apply the pressure. Copied?
Yes.
Done हो गया? तो ये चीज़ है. खैर एनीवेज आगे बढ़ते हैं. What is Charles' law?
The Charles law states that at constant pressure, temperature is directly proportional to volume. Example, a bursting deodorant can when heated.
Okay. What is Avogadro's law?
Sir, Avogadro law states that at same conditions of constant temperature and pressure, the volume of the two gases is equal to the total number of their moles.
Okay. What is Bernoulli's principle?
The Bernoulli's principle states that it is the sum of the potential energy per unit volume, the pressure per unit volume, and the kinetic energy per unit volume for a incompressible streamlined fluid which is equals to the constant.
Okay. Can you explain in layman terms in a simple way?
So like there is a fluid on which the potential energy, the pressure and the kinetic energy is acting on it, and it is the sum of the fluid which is incompressible and flowing in a streamlined flow. It is always equals to the constant.
Any application?
So like the flying of an airplane.
Explain.
So like when an airplane is designed in such a way so that the upper part of the plane, from the upper part of the plane, the velocity of air can be the maximum, due to which it creates a low pressure area, and under the plane it makes a high pressure area because of the velocity of air is not much high as compared to the upper part of the plane. So the low pressure area creates a force called the lift, due to which the plane flies.
Actually, I would not say the low pressure area, I would say the difference in the high pressure and the low pressure area creates a force that is called a lift, due to which the plane flies. Okay, great. What is dispersion?
When a white light travels through a prism, it's get scattered into its 7 constant colors called the waveguide.
Okay. Which has the least wavelength?
So the violet color.
And which has the maximum wavelength?
The red color.
So what are the advantages of having a higher wavelength of red color?
Sir, it can be seen from a very long distance as it scatters the least.
As it scatters. And what was the phenomena? Who found out this?
So the Rayleigh's scattering.
Okay, ठीक है. Okay. Physics में let's keep it up till this point. Let's come to the chemistry part. So tell me, what is the difference between alkane and alkyne?
Sir, alkanes are the carbon chains connected with single bond only. Alkenes are the carbon chains connected with double bond, and alkynes are the carbon chains connected with triple bonds.
Okay. Can you tell me the formula of benzene?
Sir, C6H6.
Formula of phenol?
The C6H6OH.
C6H5OH. एक H कम हो जाएगा ना, तभी तो OH लगेगा ऊपर, राइट? ओके. केमिस्ट्री में one more question. Okay. What is reduction?
Sorry, sir, I do not know.
No worries. He does not know. Can you please find out, get a proper definition and mention in the comment section? Would love to see that happening. Okay. Now chemistry says let's come to the maths part. शुरू करें?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 10 pencils cost 10 rupees. How much will a dozen pencils cost?
So 120 rupees.
You tell the right answer, guys. Is it 120? Again, I'll repeat. 10 pencils cost 10 rupees. How much will a dozen pencils cost?
So 12.
Okay, fine. अब ठीक है. Two men do a piece of work in 10 days. In how many days will one person do the work?
So in 20 days.
Okay, great. ठीक है, बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट जान रहा हूँ. Okay, एप्टीट्यूड के अंदर 5% of 200 will be how much?
5% of 200. So 20.
Think again.
So 10.
हाँ, अब ठीक है. तो पहली बार गलत क्यों आंसर दे रहा है यार, ध्यान से सोच के देने का. ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं. एप्टीट्यूड से बातें हैं. फिजिक्स हो गया, केमिस्ट्री हो गया, एप्टीट्यूड हो गया. लेट्स कम टू द जी के पार्ट. स्टार्ट करें. लेट्स सी. सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ बे एंड अ पेनिनसुला?
Sir, a bay is a water body which is surrounded by landmass from three sides, and it has a broad opening in the ocean. Peninsula is a landmass which is surrounded by water from its one side, and it's surrounded from landmass from its other side.
Example of a peninsula, example of a bay.
So like India is a peninsula, it is surrounded by Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal from its lower side, and from the other countries from its upper side. And for a bay we can say Bay of Biscay.
Where is Bay of Biscay located?
Sir, it is near the English Channel.
Okay, any other bay you know about? Near India, any bay you know about near India?
So the Bay of Bengal.
Bay of Bengal. Okay, fine. Which island is located in Bay of Bengal?
Sir, Andaman and Nicobar.
Okay, great. ठीक है. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ठीक है. Can you name 3 eastern ports of India?
So the Ennore port, the Tamil Nadu port, and the Port Blair.
तमिलनाडु पोर्ट है ना? श्योर. पूरे स्टेट का एक पोर्ट है तमिलनाडु पोर्ट. जस्ट आस्किंग, आई डू नॉट नो.
No, sir, it has some name, but I am not able to recall it.
Okay, then how many states does India have?
Sir, how many?
States does India have?
So 29.
Okay. How many union territories?
So 7.
Please, I would love to see the right answer coming from you guys, naming all the union territories as well. Acha, what is the capital of Tamil Nadu?
So Chennai.
Okay. Capital of Madhya Pradesh?
Sorry, sir, I do not know.
Okay. Who is the Vice President of India?
Sir, Mr. Venkaiah Naidu.
Who is the Finance Minister of India?
Sir, Nirmala Sitharaman.
Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. Okay. Who is the Shipping Minister of India?
Sir, Mr. Sarvanand Sonowal.
Okay, great. ठीक है. Let's move from the Indian subcontinent to outside. So I'll ask you 5 capitals. चलो. Where is Bolivia located? In which continent?
Sir, in South America.
Okay. Where is Brazil located?
Sir, in Europe.
अच्छा. Please find out and let me know the right answer. Where is Brazil located? In which continent? Where is US located? USA.
Sir, North America.
Mexico.
In North America.
Okay. China.
Sir, in Asia.
Tibet.
In Asia only.
Okay. Ukraine.
Sir, in Asia.
अच्छा. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Is he right or wrong? मुझे नहीं आता है. Please do let me know in the comment section. Okay. Egypt located in which continent?
So it partially comes in Europe.
पता नहीं यार, I do not know. बताओ यार प्लीज. वेनेजुएला.
In South America.
Okay. South Africa.
In Africa.
Okay. England.
So in UK.
कॉन्टिनेंट पूछा मैंने. कॉन्टिनेंट.
So it comes in Europe.
यूरोप. ओके. जर्मनी.
So in Europe.
ठीक है. सिंगापुर.
So in Asia.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया.
It itself is in continent.
ओके फाइन. ठीक है, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. व्हाट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया?
So Canberra.
कैपिटल ऑफ सिंगापुर?
Sorry sir, I do not know.
प्लीज let me know the right answer. I would really appreciate. Which is the most busiest ocean?
So the Atlantic Ocean.
I did not say commercially busy. Okay fine, चलो चलेगा. The deepest ocean?
The Pacific Ocean.
Biggest ocean?
Pacific.
Smallest ocean?
So the Southern Ocean.
Southern ocean. Okay fine. The coldest place on earth?
The North Pole and South Pole.
See guys, again I would appreciate the exact answer coming from you guys. Let's see. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. If you have to go from New York to Seattle, what will be the route?
So from New York to Caribbean Sea, crossing the Panama Canal, then into the Pacific Ocean to the Seattle port.
Okay. Which is that one place where you want to visit someday or the other? मतलब जाना चाहते हो एक बार रात से someday.
So Norway.
Norway, why?
So to see that the night for 45 minutes.
अच्छा, I have been to that place, but during my time it was day just for a very short period of time. It was complete night time during that. अच्छा, which is the capital of Norway? Just asking that.
Oslo.
Oslo. Okay, good. ठीक है guys, GK is done. Let's come to the maths part and let's ask him a few questions, few formulas in maths. So what will be tan 90 plus theta?
So cot theta.
Cot theta. अच्छा, what is the maximum value of cos theta?
So from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2.
Please let me know the right answer. What is the maximum value of sin square x?
So 1.
What is the maximum value of cos square x?
So pi by 2.
Sin square x के केस में कह रहा है 1, cos square x में कह रहा है he is saying pi by 2. So there is something wrong. Please find out to yourself, make the drawing and write down the answer in the comment section. I would love to see that happening. Okay, what is the maximum value of tan square x?
Sorry sir, I do not know sir.
What is the value of tan 90?
So tan 90. So not defined.
That means infinity, right? तो infinity का square क्या होता है? Infinity. So infinity is the maximum value. That is how you answer. Okay. What is the formula of tan 3 theta?
Sorry
Sorry
sir.
sir, I do not know. I know that. Okay, fine. आगे बढ़ते हैं. What is the differentiation of tan x?
So it is sec square x.
Okay. What is the differentiation of cos x?
Minus sin x.
What is the differentiation of x cube?
Differentiation 3x square.
Okay. What is the integration of x square?
X cube by 3.
ठीक है guys, all I want to say is interview can range from a single question to a lot of questions, not defined at all. The syllabus is not defined. Anything can come from anywhere, so you need to be prepared, and that is how we are giving an idea, and that is how we prepare at JMDi Academy. So Aditya, once again congratulations for getting selected in one of the top-notch shipping companies. Even I was surprised. Keep up the hard work, and we are always there to help you, mentor you, guide you, so that you become a good leader on ship. Not just a good deck cadet, not just a good third officer, not a good second officer, but a good leader on ship. And leader does not have an age; he has an attitude. ठीक है?
Yes sir.
So with this, guys, all I want to say thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. So guys, if you have liked this video, please click on this playlist out here. You will watch more such videos where you will get more knowledge, and you might get selected into a very good shipping company. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.